So, installing the CPU cooler. Please look into your manual, because sometimes these arrows have to be in a certain order. This is open and we will insert these pins in these holes around the socket. And please be careful when applying the little force. Just align the 4 pins, and you can actually align it this way or that way. It's asymmetrical. Just keep sure that it doesn't touches any other parts of the motherboard. Try all configurations. I guess this one looks pretty good. Then look on the downside. Apply a little bit of pressure. Then press down the buttons until you hear the click. You can see this little black stick. Just be careful. You don't wanna destroy something. Then all you have to do to unmount it, just turn these pins. If you want to arrange it some other way, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, and next we will install the memory sticks and finally PSU and boot it.